Hi everyone and assalamu alaikum. My name is Rabia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a very quick 5-minute simple dimple easy peasy makeup tutorial which is perfect for school, college, university, office. बच्चों को लेने जाना है, ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग करनी है, मॉल जाना है, नीचे मेहमान आ गए, आपको 5 मिनट में तैयार होकर जाना है, अम्मी की हेल्प करनी है. सो लाइक anything and everything, कोई भी मतलब this is a very easy makeup tutorial and this is something which I do on a regular basis and people ask me, लोग मुझे देख के बोलते हैं भाई ये कितना टाइम लगाती है सुबह, इसके बाद इतना टाइम होता है तैयार होने को, but it literally takes 5 minutes. I'm like thank you. So if you guys are interested in how to look not fabulous but basically fresh in 5 minutes, this is how you can do it. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Let's get on to it. So let's get started with a squeaky clean face, and I'm going to dive into moisturizer, and this is one which I have been loving since the past 6 months. It's the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Lotion. It has SPF 30, non-greasy, and smells like oranges. Yum, yum. Now we're going to move into sunblock. Now you can use any sunblock which you like. This is a Spectra Matte SPF 40. It's like a gel-like consistency and I'm not really a huge fan of it, but it does the job and I feel sunscreen is so important on a daily basis. So this is something which I can't skip. So use whichever you like. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face and down my neck as well. Now for the star of the show, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now for this, I use a concealer which matches my skin tone perfectly. So I'm in the shade medium. So I've taken the sponge off from this because the sponge pretty much soaks up all the product and it wastes a lot of it. So I'm going to apply this with a concealer brush and just spread it evenly across all the areas which I need to conceal. So under my eyes, around the mouth, the sides of my nose, basically everywhere I want to conceal. Okay, I like to let the concealer dry for a minute before blending it out, so I'm going to dive into my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade because it's super fast, so I just go in and fill in the sparse areas of my brows really quickly. Like you can see, this actually shows real time me doing my eyebrows. Done. Boom. Now we need to set those brows, and I'm using the Maybelline Brow Drama. This is in the shade Dark Brown. This is also a good product. It's not the best brow gel which I've had, but it does the job pretty well and it's easily available. Now I'm going to use this concealer brush and just buff out my concealer. Now I start off with my face and then I do my under eyes in the end. And the best thing about this concealer is that it blends really well with a brush. I don't have time in the morning to wet a beauty blender or take care of a beauty sponge in the morning. I need something which is fast, and with this concealer it blends beautifully with the brush. So I just pat it around and then whatever is left on my brush I spread it across my face. Now to set our under eyes, we're going to use the Essence Brighten Up powders in the shade Peach and Banana. I love the products which Essence has, but the issue is with the packaging. Because they're so cheap and affordable, the product is good but the packaging just breaks. So I go in with the peach powder first to add as a little color corrector for my under eye grayness, and then I brighten them up with some banana powder. No contour nor bronzing for me because I don't have time for that in the morning, so I'm going in with this Body Shop Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is in the shade Red Pomegranate. This stuff is crazy pigmented, so this is more than enough. Even 3 drops are too much. So I'm just going to use a small brush and just buff this out across my cheeks. And this is so amazing. It lasts all day and it makes you look so nice and naturally flushed. I'm really pale and this is an amazing product. Seriously, get this. Now for a highlight, of course, we need our glow. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and this is an amazing highlighter. It's so affordable. It gives a nice dewy finish to the skin, no glitter, and it is just amazing. And this is an extra step. I just use this on top of my lids as well, just to make it seem like I made a lot of effort. So this just overall brightens up my eyes. Now go in with a lash curler and curl those lashes because I'm not really doing anything else for my eyes. It's just this highlighter and then lash curling and then mascara. Use any mascara you like. I've been loving this one by Charlotte Tilbury. It really makes my lashes look wow. So I just apply a good amount on the top and bottom lashes, and I do so with my mouth open. So embarrassing.
minute. Okay, now for a lipstick. We're almost done, guys. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips, and this is a lip liner by Diana of London in the shade Pumpkin. And this is really nice and creamy. It's very, very pigmented. I really, really like this product. And then for my everyday favorite lipstick, I have this one by Too Faced. This is the Too Faced, which one is it? It's written in the description, anyways, you can read that.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's literally so quick, so easy, fast, fast, fast. Of course, you can use products which suit your skin tone or your dresses or anything, but this is appropriate for school, university, work. This is my go-to look for a daily basis, and it's so fast. Even while going for shopping, अगर मेहमान आ गए अचानक नीचे से throwing this face together, this takes literally 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you guys like the voiceover. So without further ado, I'll leave you guys to it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.